So I'm going to explain one of our products at Nazarbayev University for you, which is a kind of a smart monitoring system for the transformer, motors, or for any kind of feeder which is taking current actually. So we have developed this device. If you get closer actually to this one, I can tell you that there is a processor unit, so there is a transmitter unit, and there is a display unit. So which this system can grab the information from the feeders, so any kind of feeder, and it can transfer the data actually from the processor to the cloud environment. And using cloud environment, we are able to do the analysis, and after that we can send this information over a kind of application in any portable device. The portable device can be a kind of mobile phone, or it can be a kind of the tablet. So if I'm going to give demonstration to you, so we have got two units here, the transmitter unit and the monitoring systems unit. So so basically I'm going to connect this guy actually to the terminal. So to energize it and get basically on. So yeah, so getting this one, you can find actually the logo of our university is getting up and is popping up, and basically you can find here the information about the transformer condition. It can be programmed for the motor condition. It can be programmed for well, any kind of the feeder, so it doesn't matter. So then using this button, so you can simply actually change the menu. You can go into the monitoring system, or you can perform the analysis. So for example, you can go to the monitoring system. You can select current, power, temperature, harmonic distortion, or you can press 0 and get back, and you go to the analysis, and you talk about the aging rate, load capability, so temperature, and so on. So this is a kind of monitoring system which is designed so in this specific smart system. I'm telling you that there is a specific program inside the processor, which this program is able to do the load forecasting for you. So it means that based on the information which we are recording here in the memory of this guy, so this specific system is able to do the load forecasting based on the history. So if you look at here, we are taking sample from the current. So it can take a sample from the low level of the current, so something like as this. We have been used, this is very simple actually, Troy city. Or if the current is getting a little bit larger, so we can change the city. So when we are changing the CT, so it's simply actually possible to grab the information so from the current which is flowing through your feeder or through a cable. So you can adopt any kind of the clamping CT or clamping actually ammeter with the system. Therefore, the system is designed to serve from 400 volt or even less than 400 volt up to, let's say, 1 million volt. It's not a big deal. So the analysis, the demonstration, everything is going to be the same. The cloud is working for all the ranges. This is the only things which you need to change. You need to change actually the CT. And of course, if you are using the LV system, you're going to take a sample from the LV system, not from the high voltage. So any LV system, so you can actually simply use the 5 ampere or maybe 100 ampere clamping CT. So this was a system which I wanted to introduce to you. So similar system, we are working actually to develop it for the city, and basically for the smart city, and as a part of the smart grid, we are going to develop basically a smart meter, which includes the load forecasting engine in that one as well. So thank you very much. So I really hope that you get enough information about our product.